The University of Minnesota Epigenetics Consortium was established in 2015 by a group of faculty who are passionate about promoting this field at the University of Minnesota.
At the University of Minnesota, we have a very diverse group of researchers who are interested in epigenetics field. For example, we have people who are interested in the technology development, and we also have people who are interested in molecular basis of epigenetics, and also people who are interested in the application of epigenetics in drug discovery and diseases.
In my view, what the Epigenetics Consortium is, it brings together researchers all across campus in disparate disciplines.
It's a group of investigators here at the university, of course, all with a thread and an interest in epigenetics, but they bring many other qualities and skills and techniques to the group. Biochemistry, mass spec, mouse genetics, where these can combine in unique and collaborative ways to give new data and new projects that wouldn't otherwise have been possible.
What is unique about epigenetic research at the University of Minnesota is that we have a very strong chemical biology program here, and there are many faculty involved in development of chemical probes and also treatments for various diseases.
And so our collaborative science is folded into this epigenetics consortium using some of our chemical probe molecules to understand the biology.
Epigenetic field is a very interdisciplinary field. No one can be an expert in all the fields. So this consortium serves as an excellent platform for many of us to come together and share our expertise. And very importantly, we can find collaborations so that we can move together with our research projects.
It's really an area of incredible cross-pollination of information that you don't find in normal other groups like this.
We are very happy that many of these conversations now led to joint applications to the NIH and brought in at least 3 NIH grants in the last year or two.
A consortium like this provides a multitude of opportunities for students to, first of all, listen to seminars by leaders in the field and to also actively collaborate across disciplines within the University of Minnesota.
We are very excited about the opportunity to provide unique training for these graduate students, postdocs, and undergraduates so they can have interdisciplinary training in the field of epigenetics. We want to attract external funding in the form of training grants for students to enable us to issue, for example, pilot grants for individuals involved in epigenetics research, and also to coordinate our training efforts.
Our students take part in the Epigenetic Consortium seminars. We invite speakers in not only internally, but externally to bring in top-level science.
We meet routinely. I've given seminars. We bring in a lot of exciting speakers from around the country. We have an interesting collaboration that's brewing with the epigeneticists at Mayo as well.
Being a member of the Epigenetics Consortium has been really beneficial for my research. It has allowed me to meet other researchers in labs that are working in the field of epigenetics. It has allowed me to bounce ideas off of other people, learn what others in the university are doing, and develop new collaborations.
The Epigenetics Consortium is a group that I've been involved in for almost my entire PhD career here. I started out presenting at the symposia that we had. I've also presented my research through posters and talks. I've enjoyed interacting with all the speakers. We've gotten a number of fantastic external speakers coming in to give seminars here. These have all been great sources of networking, professional development, and career development as well.
Attending the consortium, I learned fundamental knowledge about the epigenetics. And also, by participating, you can really know what's going on in this field and kind of expand your vision in this scientific area. I did present once in the Flash Talk series, in which all the students have 3 minutes to describe their recent progress so that you can collect helpful feedback as well. And also I know there are some more formal talks for both the graduate students as well as the postdocs to present.
What's exciting for me about epigenetics is that epigenetic marks are reversible. So while we cannot change the genes we are born with, we can actually potentially change the epigenetic makeup of a cell, enable us to cure human diseases.
There are many unsolved questions in epigenetics research, and this is very fertile ground for exciting new research in terms of being medically relevant in different types of disease states.
The work is important to me for the translational potential that epigenetic therapies can really have. This is a process where we can interrogate disease that's not being driven by simple mutations in DNA, but is dynamic and reversible. And there's so much basic science that we don't understand.
We want to expand the reach of our consortium well beyond the University of Minnesota. Ultimately, we want to be able to contribute to shaping up the field of epigenetics, and specifically chemical epigenetics, and to expand the reach of this field to many other applications, such as treatments of human diseases.